To start depositing funds and passing the identification, you should go to the Deposit tab. On this page, you need to fill in information about yourself: your name, your last name, the date of birth, your gender, your nationality and country of residence, the area of residence, the city of residence, as well as your address. The last column is for Telegram. After filling in all the fields, click on the Confirm button. You will be automatically transferred to a new page where you need to upload 2 photos to verify your identity. In the left column, you need to upload a photo of your passport in an expanded form. Make sure that the photo is of acceptable quality. In the right column, you need to upload a photo of the passport page with the registration address or a photo of the utility bill in your name. After the procedure is completed, you should click on the Send button. Your data will be sent for verification. As soon as the fund manager checks the correctness of the data entered by you, you will receive a message to your email mailbox. The waiting page will be automatically updated, and you will have access to the full functionality of the personal account of the investor of the ProfiXone Capital Fund.